Yes, 1, 2, 3. This is the supermarket management system, or what we call store management system for any business. So you come in your browser, you just type sales supermarket. So I give you the link, just type it there. Then you have to hit enter. When you hit enter, it comes here. We have a PIN login and a web login. So for a PIN login, I have my client ready. We're doing testing with it, so you can just put in the code that I've given you. You put the role of that user. So for this one is admin. Then you put the password for that store. Then you hit login. So within a moment, once the credentials are correct, it should log in automatically. So once it logs in here, we have very many things. The number one here, they shows you the store details. This one is it is Kundumase store, and it is a clinic, so a drug shop. So for here now, this is a dashboard here. Today's sale 0. Today's revenue, today's expense, total products we have in the system. Then we have the raw stock item, the total customers. Then today's sales, so they appear here where you can view the reports and everything. Then under dashboard, the next thing we have is the quick action. And the quick action is we have the add product, the add customer, the view report, we have record expense and inventory check. So all these ones are there for you to easily access them. The next item is called the point of sale, the POS. So all the transactions are made from here. Having added the product, so you can come here now and start selling to your customers. So you can browse all the products which are already added. We are saying your stock is 0, 3 strips remaining. Here we have this one is 23 pieces, 1 bottle remaining. So everything is there. And when it is in raw stock, it shows in red color. So when I come and I say maybe I want to sell something like what? Like citizen have 60 pieces, I add it to cart. Then how many items do I want to sell and the citizen I have? So I can say I want to sell 10 of them. Then they multiply, each one is at 100 times 10, you get 1,000, you add to cart. So I check for any other product. So you can even search for a product. So this is a drug shop, of course. Then I can say maybe I want to sell courtroom tabs. I add to cart. I have 200 pieces, also I want to sell 10. Then I say add to cart. So my receipt is already here being generated, and I'm on a resale price, so the price will come automatically. So if you are using resale real retail price, just comes automatically. But if you are selling to bigger business, so we choose wholesale price from here. Then when you choose wholesale price, mean that now you are selling in large quantity and you have to give the percentage offer or discount. So for this one now, let's proceed. Then there is another item here where we can add the customer or the lookup customer, the order details and everything. So everything once it's set, just hit proceed to check. When you proceed to check, the sale total due, it is just 2,000. Then you continue, you confirm the sale. Once you confirm the sale will be recorded under today's sale. Now this one has been sold. Now this is the receipt. This receipt, we can print the receipt, or we can SMS it, or we can WhatsApp it to the client. Then we hit next customer. So when we hit next, then we come back here again to the point of sale and we add another customer details. This system, it helps you to access everything wherever you are as a manager. So you are going to be selling, then you'll be seeing everything. Now we have the mobile money. For mobile money, the admin or the manager always is the fraud for your clients or for your cashier to sell. Then the next you always see them there. So you can also have mobile money integration. This one is for people who are doing mobile money sale. Then medicine, that's the stock, things you have in the stock. So you can have the name, the category, the SKU, the stock, the buying price, selling price, and as action. So we can see here, like this type of drug is in low stock. So you can choose to add or to edit, then in low stock. So all these things, they are done by admin and the manager. Remember, we have what we call privilege levels. The cashier cannot do these edits. So we have the inventory. We see all the product management. So the stock, we have the products. So we see which are very low, the expired and the expiring soon within 30 days. Then we say stock evaluation once all sold. The potential revenue, what can come up after sale, the projected profit you can make out of that product, the recorded stock purchase. Then down there we can see again by category those products we have. Category number one, we have the tabs, we have the capsules, syrups, hazards, cream, and injection. So they categorize them, everything how they are, and the projected profit they can make, and if they are sold. Then from the inventory, we have what they call the customer. Here, every customer we add, they appear here. So these are the customer we have. If I'm adding a customer, just hit add customer, put the name of the customer. It could be Kusima Vincent. So if I add Kusima Vincent, I have to give him a contact, his contact. If I know it, then I give him the email. If I know it also, of course I have to ask the customer, I have to put the notes. I can say this is a wholesale client. So I record him. Then after putting that in note, I can say enable credit sales. It means that I can sell him on a loan. If I enable this one, I enable the credit. Then again, I can set the credit limit. So he shouldn't exceed maybe 5,000 when he is buying on credit. Then I add the customer. So this customer will be added. Now I have Kusima Vincent is here. Then when we go, we scroll this side, you can see that credit limit for Kusima, what is Kusima Vincent? He should be having up to 5,000. But now he has not taken anything on credit, so nothing will be shown up there. Then we have the suppliers also. The suppliers, nothing I've added, but again you can add the supplier. If you have someone whom you always buy products from, you also add them from here. But now I'm not adding anyone. But once you get the system, you can add those your suppliers you always get. Then expenses, every day you can make expenses like buying lunch, transport, everything. So you record expense daily, you record them here, and it will be deducted from the daily sales once saved. So then we have the reports. So we can get these daily reports. Today we've just sold one thing, 1,000. So you can get the monthly, annually, profit and loss, and everything you can get them. So this is the report you can always get, and remember you can get a report, then you can generate and download them. So from the report, then we have the return stroke void. For in case someone bought something and they no longer needs it, you bought something and a customer has brought it back, and given that your terms of sale still allow, so you can come and you void it. Voiding it means that you are bringing back things to your stock. So when you void it, it will come back to your business and it will be recorded where they were. So we have then credit sales and the receivable. So they are there. If I've sold someone things on a credit, it will remain there. And the system will have to alert you once someone's deadline has reached the due date. You say to them, then he has to pay by that due date. Then we have data analysis. Data analysis is undergoing reports. Here we receive things in pie charts and bar charts. See how our business is running. So we have our business, we will check them, everything how they are. Then we have the notification center. Here it's for a manager and the admin. They can notify their clients or their people they work in the business. Of course, there's nothing with notification yet, but you can again record the notification if any. Then we have the subscription. Here you check how far was your subscription. This subscription is still active and the code is there, and this subscription is ending by 22nd July. So you have 23 days left, so you can check everything. Then we have the team messages. Of girls, you can notify the whole role, one person. It is on the notification. Then the users, as a manager, you can add the users. Like the client, you got another worker, you add them from here, then they start selling for you, and you'll be able to manage them. Then we have settings. In settings, you can put the settings, your things. For us, we sell in UG shilling, the royalty point. You can save and generate other settings. You can put the store info, where the business is located. You can, since if we can have a backup, then the notification center API and everything. So those are the items we have. So the next thing is maybe to log out. If so, you can log out. So this is how the store management or supermarket management system is working. Members, I call upon all of you to come, subscribe, have your business managed wherever you are. If you are in Kampala, your business is in Kagadi, or you are in Chenjojo, your business in Fort, or it has branches. You'll be at home and you'll be seeing things happening on your phone or on your laptop as people or your worker are doing their work. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.